Rina and welcome back to my K-pop video. In this video, we are going through Paint the Town by Luna. We just went through the first chorus in our Kpop Dance Workshop in Arizona. It was a lot of fun. On the first day of learning the choreography, it was a little bit overwhelming because it's a fast tempo music and there are a lot of dance moves in each count. So we went through for a total of 4 classes, and at the end of the classes, everybody got it so nicely. We added the formation as well, so it was a lot of fun. So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial for the first chorus of Paint the Town by Luna. And at the end of the tutorial, we're gonna go through the actual music. So hope you guys gonna have fun. Also, before we start, I would like to announce to you guys that we have the in-person Kpop Dance Workshop in Arizona every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 to 9 p.m. We also offer a free live workshop on the Facebook group called the Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop, and those are open to any levels and ages, so if you love K-pop and dancing, please feel free to join us. All of the information are in the description below. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so today we're gonna start with 5, 6, 7, 8, down. Okay, so first you're just gonna take your right foot side and then open your legs, open your arms as well. We're gonna go cross, open, cross, and then bring your arms all the way up and then place your right foot behind the left one. Okay, 5, 6, cross, open, cross, and down. Good. Now once you put your right foot back, you're gonna place your hands on your hip or on your lower back. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. Now we're gonna go wave in, wave in. First, you're gonna take your chest front, back, and at the same time, you're gonna open your knees in, open, in. You can slightly take your toes off from the mat and then open, in, open, in. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8, and open, in, open, in. Now you're gonna step right, left, okay? Your legs basically step to the right, left, where your hands make a fist, bring them to your chest and down, up and cross, open, okay? So right, left, up, open. Now you're gonna place your arms in front of your chest, your right one comes on top, and you're gonna go all the way down. Squat down and take your left hip up, down, right hip up, and then open your arms, bring it up. Good, until here from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, up, open, down, left and right. Bring it up. Good. Now after this, we're gonna go flake. You're gonna just flake your hands, where you're gonna lean to the left once, and then open your legs, bring your hands in front of your chest, and prayer pose. Good. So after, bring your arms up. Now flake, prayer pose. Good. Now you're gonna make this triangle, and then you're gonna step left, right, down. Good. Basically, you're gonna take your left toe up, and then right toe up, and then lean to the right and throw your arms down. Or you can also face down, same thing with your legs, left, right, throw back, and up. Good. Now after this, we're gonna flake, up. Good. Basically, you're just gonna flip your hands up, middle, down, and then one more time goes back to up. Good. Now, cross your arms in front of your chest, right hand comes on your left shoulder, 1. Now we're just gonna switch your arm, but this time only your left arm. Left hand is on your shoulder. Bring your left elbow up, bring your hands up, and then grab it, step forward, and then step left, drop. Okay, so one more time from here. Now, flake, prayer pose. Now, step left, right, throw back, up, throw, up, cross, left, elbow, hands, step forward, pull, throw. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, up. Flake, prayer pose. Step, throw, up and throw, cross, left, elbow, up, 1, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from the beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, up, down, and hip, and up, flick, flick, prayer. Pause now, left, right, throw, up, throw, 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 up, cross, left, elbow, hand, step, forward, and pull. Good. Now let's move on. After this, we're going to cross the arms. Sorry, we're going to cross the legs, and then make a fist with your right hand, and big circle. Good. So basically, when you cross the legs, your right foot is forward, and the left foot comes on the back, and make a big circle. Good. Now you're just going to open your legs, and then swing your left arm to the right, look over your shoulder, and then bring your hands behind the head. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, throw, back, hands. Good. Now tap your chest, tap your knees, go all the way down, and then close your legs and stand up straight. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, circle, back, up, chest, knees, up. Good. Now again, you're gonna open your legs, place the hands to the left, and then we're gonna open the arms twice. Open, open. Good. At the same time, you can add the chest pump. Good. Boom, boom. And then bring your hands all the way down again. Okay? Now, you're gonna lean to the right, and then to the moon. They're gonna sing, take it to the moon. So basically, you're just gonna open your arms, and then draw your left toe, half circle, kind of slightly face the right, and then cross your legs. You're just gonna hook. Good. Right hand comes to next to your left cheek, where your left leg is crossing forward. Now we're gonna spin 360 to your right shoulder. Okay? Spin, 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 and then right foot is forward. Okay. So since you started with the left foot is forward, you're just gonna spin to your right shoulder, and you're gonna end with the right foot is forward. Okay? And your hands basically, it can go around your head as you spin, and then again bring it back next to your left cheek. Okay, so one more time from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, circle, swing, up, chest down, up, up, and open, up, and spin, hook, turn around, walk, 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 and then we're just gonna push the arms forward. Okay, now let's finish up. We're gonna open the arms and push to the side and slightly lean forward as you wave side to side. Okay, push, push, and wave. Good. Now you're gonna completely lean on the right foot and pull your elbows. Next, lean back and throw your arms. Good. And then place your right foot down. We're gonna go chest circle. Okay? So push, push, wave, and front, back, chest circle, step to the right. Last one, place your hands under your chest. We're gonna gradually bring your right hand all the way up, make a fist, and then step left, cover your right eye, pull your right elbow, flip your hands, and cross, up, throw the hair. Good. That's it. Okay, so again from here, 5, 6, push, push, and wave, and front, back, circle, and face the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, cross, and throw. Alright, let's start with the second part of the chorus, which is here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, up, chest down, up, up, and open, and spin. Hook, turn around, walk, walk, push, and wave, and front, back, chest circle, face the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, cross, and throw. Alright, now let's put the whole choreography together and try with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, up and down. 2, 3, 4, right, left, up, up and down. Hip, down, up, flick, flick, prayer. Pause, step, back, 5, up, throw, throw, up, cross, left, elbow, up, walk, walk, and circle. 1, 2, up, chest down, up, up, and up, up, spin. Hook, turn around. 5, 6, push and wave. Front, back, chest circle, face the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and throw. Alright, time to put the whole choreography with the music. Here we go. And 5, hope this tutorial will help you to get through this choreography. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know with the comments down below. And also don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!